Hello, Achievers. Welcome to day 25 of the Ultimate 30 Day series. Today, we're actually going to be talking about something most authors overlook, the value ascension path. Most books end at publication, leaving readers inspired but unsure what to do next. And this causes momentum to be lost and transformation to stall. But your goal as an entrepreneur, that is, author and entrepreneur, is to design a path that intentionally moves your audience from discovery to action, from curiosity to transformation, and from one offer to the next. And this is where the book becomes an ecosystem. So here's a typical path I always recommend. I want you to start with a free content, which is a lead magnet, and then to a book, and then to an entry offer, and then to a core program, and then to a premium access. Each step is actually intentional. Let's go into it. Free content is a lead magnet. This introduces your message and creates awareness. So it can be something like blog post, worksheet, short videos, or social media content that establishes your voice and credibility. And then when you have that, you then move to a book. It leads to a book because this deepens trust. It positions you as the authority and begins your transformation process. And after that is an entry offer. This is a low barrier offer, like a workshop, mini course, or guide that lets readers take immediate action. And when you've done that, you then go to a core program, the main transformational product. This is actually where your audience gets the structure guidance, group coaching, or training and courses that they need. And then a premium access. This is a high ticket offering, like a one on one consulting, mastermind programs, or licensing opportunities. Know that books alone build awareness, but offers monetize trust. If there is no next step, your audience stop at inspiration, they never become clients, and your revenue caps early. Let me actually give you a story. One author I worked with, she wrote a powerful book, a beautiful book. She published it, sold a few copies, and then waited for the sales to come in, but nothing happened. Why? She had no ascension path. We actually in Purpose University helped her design a simple intentional system. Start with a book call to action whereby you sign up for a free webinar, which is the entry offer. And then that webinar causes them to be invited to an evergreen course, which is the core program, and then leads to course. That course leads to invitation to high ticket opportunity, which is your premium access. And within months, she went from sporadic book sales to fully monetized ecosystem, scaling both income and impact. So I want you to do some things for me today. I want you to place a call to action inside your book strategically. Don't just tell your readers, buy my course. Show them how the next step aligns with the transformation they started in the book. Map the next step after reading. Ask yourself, if a reader finishes this book today, where do I want them to go next? And then I want you to build a transformation bridge whereby each step should clearly promise the next level of transformation and results. This prevents stagnation and keeps momentum flowing. So, with all this information, I want you to take a moment and ask yourself, are my readers becoming clients or are they just consuming content? And then commit to designing a clear pathway that converts curiosity into action and inspiration into income. I want you to remember that the value ascension path is more than a strategy. This is actually a service mindset. You are leading your readers, showing them a structured way to grow, and then you're giving them the tools to succeed. And at the end of this, you need to know this, that an ecosystem is what turns a book from a single product into a revenue generating, impact amplifying system. And that your book inspires, but a book alone is not enough. Offers transforms because it causes them to implement. And your job is to make sure that your readers move seamlessly from one to the next step. And I'll see you in day 26. Bye for now.